Hi and welcome to this interesting section. You're going to learn web scraping with Python in this section. In this lecture, I wanted to explain what web scraping means. So, web scraping means scraping the web for information, or in other words, extracting information from web pages. Let's say you want to extract information about real estate. Maybe you want to know the price trend over time and place. And I don't think there exists some nice Excel files with well-structured data that you can go ahead and download and do data analysis on that right away. In reality, such data are spread over HTML web pages of real estate websites, in our example. So you're going to have to scrap them and put them in a structured form, in a well-structured format, such as Excel, an Excel file, CSV, pandas, data frames, or other tabular formats. And putting that in a well-structured format is referred to as web scraping. And Python is excellent in that. Specifically, we're going to use a Python library named Beautiful Soup. So in this section, I'll introduce you to Beautiful Soup, and we're going to extract some information from a simple web page while I show you how Beautiful Soup works. Then in the next section, so once we consume the lectures of this section, we'll go ahead and extract some real estate information, such as property addresses and property price, the area, and other features of properties. We're going to extract that information from a big real estate website. So yeah, that's about what web scraping is. Yeah, I'll talk to you in the next lecture.